Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iMac A2116 and now I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language on this device. To change the keyboard language, you just need to open the system settings and scroll down, and here you'll see keyboard on the bottom part of your list. And here we can see text input, and here we have input sources. As you can see, I have Polish only, so I need to click edit. And here as you can see, I have only Polish keyboard. But now to add another one, we need to click on the plus button. And for example, I don't know. For example, Hebrew. And as you can see, we have, for example, three types of Hebrew keyboard. So Hebrew PC, and Hebrew QWERTY. I really don't know which of them people in Israel use, but for example, I will use Hebrew PC. So click add. And as you can see, now I have several input sources, and right now, as you can see here, appears the language input button. And now to change the input source, we need to click on this button and, for example, change from Polish to Hebrew, or from Hebrew to Polish. But we can change the I'll show you. We can change the hotkeys to change the language. So to do it, we need to click keyboard again, edit, and as you can see, we have used the caps lock key to switch to and from Polish, for example, or we can disable this feature or enable. For example, I want to enable this feature, and now when we will click caps key, as you can see now, when I click caps button, my language is changing. For example, now it's Polish, now Hebrew, Polish again, Hebrew again. So in this way, we will easily change the language by clicking on only one button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.